Halika mga bata. Halika rito mga bata. Mga pamangkin, meron akong mga munting kwento sa inyo. Hashtag Manila Encounter. Baktidol! Kamusta mga kansan? Ako nga pala si Piloso Paulo para pag-usapan ang mga nakakatakot at nakakagimbal-gimbal, nakakapagbabagabag ng mga kwento ng Manila Encounters. Kung anong cancer dyan, Piloso Paulo, ba't mo sinasayang ang oras namin? Huwag kayong mag-alala mga bata. At dito tayo sa ating apoy. Umupo kayo dito sa aking tuhod at hahawakan. Oops! Pampamilyang encounter. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam ang Manila Encounter sa isang hashtag na ginawa ng mga manunulat or mga mahilig magsulat sa Twitter para maibahagi ang mga nakakatakot na mga mitolohiya, mga literature ng Pilipinas, na creepy, parang creepypasta way. So, kumbaga maganda ang sulat, maganda ang plot. Mga simple nagbabrowse lang sa Twitter at gusto lang na onting mabasa hanggang nag-aantay sa nakakatakot din na pag-antay sa traffic. Kung alam nyo ako, meron ng Twitter account, nasa description, Paulul_. Ayun, nung nandun ako ay nagsaliksik at nakita ko naging trend itong hashtag Manila Encounter at nagtingin-tingin ako at doon ko na naramdaman yung cancer. Yung mga sukot. Basta maintindihan nyo. Ito ang isang perfect example ng paggamit ng tamang hashtag sa isang kwento. So, true story based on my experience. Sure, sige. It was 4 AM Sunday morning. No school. No need to hurry. You went down to do your morning routine when you saw your sister silently sitting in your dinning. Woo! Dumbfounded. Yep, you were. You felt weird, but you continued and headed to the kitchen. You started saying good morning and telling her stories about last night while making 2 cups of coffee. 2 girls, 1 cup. You joked how weird it is to see her that early because it's really unusual magkasama yan, but she's not answering. You look back to check if she's still there. She is! You continued on what you were doing. May walang apostrophe while trying to make a conversation, but she never answers. After a minute or two, a shiver went down your spine. Oh my god, heard! Big lazy steps from upstairs. It was your sister who just woke up. O diba nakakatakot lalo na yung grammar, pero yun yung kanyang pangkabuang genre, vibe, yung nakakatakot. Nakita ko na to sa Japanese horror stories na movie. Nakita ko na yung part na yan, yung bumaba siya tapos paulit-ulit lang, may bumaba ulit, paulit-ulit. Nakakatakot talaga siya kasi hindi kailangan gabi, kahit umaga. What the fuck, diba mapapa? A millennial albularyo investigates a lump that was allegedly cast by a witch on a patient's arm. It's nothing like he's ever seen before. He feels it with his hand and hears a croak from it. The albularyo, taken aback, exclaimed, but okay. Diba, at least ito, meron pa rin yung mga paniniwala natin bilang mga Pilipino, may creepy aspect. Pero ito, meron nga nakakatawa. Ito okay, naiintindihan ko yung paggamit ng Manila Encounters in a fun way. Pasado yan. Pag sinabi kong cancer sa internet, hindi lang Facebook at YouTube, pati Twitter, ang Holy Trinity, makukumpleto na natin. Sukot encounters natin mga cancer. So, simulan na natin. Woo! You started to play your guitar while looking at her. She was smiling as she tried to sing along. You can't help but to smile too. You stopped strumming when she faded suddenly. She's gone. And now you realize that you're no longer holding your guitar. All you have was your cell phone until Messenger flashed on the screen. You chatted her, "Where na you? Pinatay nyo siya." She replied, "Sino? Pinatay nyo ang makalumang panliligaw." Maria Clara, you're about to reply but... Ano daw? Ano nakakatakot doon? Makalumang... Gusto mo na equality pero gusto nyo na makalumang panliligaw? Kaya naiintindihan ko kung gusto mong maharana, ganyan. Labas mga white knight! Hashtag white knight encounters. You came home drunk. You accidentally bumped into a small vase and it fell down and broke. You kneeled down and saw a piece of paper. In it, it said, "Bakit ka nahulog sa kanya? Nabasag ka tuloy." The vase was you. Ulol! 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 Oh, hashtag Black Chemical Romance. Hashtag Love is Pain. Nice. Diba nakakatakot, diba? Morales. Present, ma'am. I'm checking the attendance of my students. As I continue, Fernandez, the room was filled with silence. Suddenly, one of my students spoke. Hans already died, ma'am. He committed suicide after feeding in research yesterday. So parang kasalanan pa nung teacher na ginawa or ng professor na ginagawa niya yung trabaho niya. Like, naiintindihan ko na that suicide is a thing and that depression is a real thing, hindi siya biro. Kung i-connect mo agad dito na nagpakamatay siya dahil binagsak siya ng kanyang teacher, hindi yung kasalanan ng teacher. Like, wag mo ilagay yung guilt doon sa teacher o sa professor na ginagawa lang yung trabaho niya. Nakakatakot lang dito pag hindi ka nag-aral at bumagsak ka. Tapos papagalita ka ng nanay mo, palo encounters ka. Sunod! You're alone in your new boarding house and you're horny. You check... What? Ano nangyayari? Kala ko ba creepy to? Pabamilang channel tayo. Wala tayong diskriminasyon. Okay. Bakit yun ang... Sige, fine. You got a tap 5 feet away. You message the person, hey, what's up? What's up? Saan ka? He reply, dito bangkay ko ng isa may 5 years na. Hindi dapat to Manila Encounter. Dapat to Manila Encounters. Boom! Hashtag. May gender ba ang mga multo? But gender is a physical aspect.
Bawat bata may tanong.
May nag-comment. Ito daw yung kisoming nakita niya. It was 9 PM and it was so dark. While strolling around your village, you heard someone whisper in your ears. Ears! Diba? So, dalawa dito sa bahay, diba? Huwag kang titingin. You felt anxious but curiosity wins over you. You search where the voice is coming from until a young boy caught your eyes in an instant. You tried to blink, but it hurts. And then suddenly, you felt something streaming down your cheeks. Sticky, slimy. Realizing something, he really did caught my eyes in an instant. Grammar police, grammar Nazi 101. Pag gumamit na kayo ng past tense ng do, hindi mo na kailangan i-past tense uli yung caught. So, he did catch my eyes in an instant. Okay? Kasi magiging double na yung past tense, di ba? Yun lang yung nakakatakot dito. Pero, di ba, it's an honest effort. Ang importante dito, nagkakaroon sila ng platform o ng lakas sa loob na ma-train yung kanilang Wattpad level sa pagsusulat. Yes, speaking of cancer, di ba? So, sunod. Your girlfriend told you to kill someone. Without a word, you left and did the job. Kasi past tense, di ba? Okay. Years later, she broke up with you. In the middle of your cry, you heard a voice saying, "It's okay, dear. Everything will be fine." Ito okay lang to kasi nagtitipid sila kasi may characters, di ba? It was your mother's apostrophe S whom you killed years ago. Whom? Mother's what? Ano yung pagmamay-ari nung nanay mo na pinatay mo? Apostrophe S, di ba? Possession. Di ba? Sinasapian din ako ng English class nyo ngayon. Sunod! Pagod na ako. Hindi nyo ba nararamdaman na pagod na ako? My friends and I were having a video chat talking about the albularyo we had interviewed for our project yesterday. At first, we were collating our observations and realization. Then we ended up fooling around what the albularyo said to our friend when he demonstrated using the palito. Ano yung palito? To know if someone is possessing our friend. What? Ano yung palito? Oh my, na. Dapat kumipit tayo. Ano ba, Paolo? The albularyo said that there is someone who seemed to like her and wants to take over her body. We can't move on. Past tense na naman. Mag-move on na tayo, please. Past tense. On about that if became an inside joke among us. Until my phone rang, it was my friend's mom. She told me that my friend was rushed to the hospital dead on arrival early this morning. She explained that when she was waking up my friend, she is as cold as an ice. So, isang pirasong yelo lang. Para lang sure, gusto ko malaman ko yung as an ice yan. Ano siya? Tube ice? Cube ice? Crushed ice? Hindi nung kasi as cold as ice, pero diba, importante dito yung nag-effort ka. Ang ano lang dito, yung mga binabasa ko ngayon, mga more than thousands of shares and likes siya. So please, taasan natin ang standard natin pagdating sa katatakutan. Ito nang nagagawa ng Shake, Rattle, and Roll 66,000. As cold as an ice na ang ating mga horror. So, nice. Hindi ko sinasabing lahat, ha. Relax lang yung mga dyan, mga mahilig sa horror. Syempre, ang mga lalabas lang naman dito ay yung mga sukot. A woman must cut. Whew! After a 10-wheeler truck ran over her. Everyone panic. Yep, nagpa-panic na ako ngayon. When someone shouted, sabuyan nyo ng asin, lumilipad na yung isa. Alam mo okay na eh. Like, maganda na eh. Pero yung cottage tsaka yung rand, ang daming ED na kailangan tanggalin. Tama na. Huwag nyo nang ginagamit sila kakayan JS. Papamilyang channel. Joke lang. So, sobrang di na tayo makamove on. Di na tayo gamit ng past tense. Parang awa nyo na. English class encounter. Sunod. First day of school and you have no friends nor mentioned by anyone. Suddenly, there is this new student that came. He keeps looking at you to the point that it started bothering you. You ask, bakit mo ko tinititigan lagi? She said, I can see ghosts. Ha? Sabi mo kanina, he. Tapos sinabi niya ngayon, she. Sino ba yan? Si Jake Cyrus? Ano, papapilihan channel. Joke lang. Joke lang, wag niyo ako haluhin. Please, maging consistent tayo. Did you just assume the ghost gender, kuya, ate, ha? Respeto naman. 2019 na. Hindi ba rin natin nire-respeto ang gender ng mga multo? Sunod. I was at Malate, was 7 when I met a beautiful girl that really got my eyes, but little I know that she was such a trickster. She told me to buy all the things that she wants, even though we're not yet nakakabibig-hani sa aking mga mata. Okay, so tama na ako yung makaka-copyright. Very good. Ito yung mga gusto ko Manila encounters, diba? Very witty. Ito lang ang buhay sa akin sa mga nabasa ko. Binuo niya natitirang tibok ng puso ko. Maraming salamat kung sino ka mang gumawa nun. Nagbago ka, but I just laugh at them and wipe the tears that escape in my hindi ako nagbago. Hashtag naiyak ako when I cried. Hashtag woke encounters. Manila encounters. Yup, para ano lang Twitter version ng Reddit na para lang kahit ano, naging kahit ano na siya na dapat nung simula ay about sa horror. Ngayon horror lang dito ay yung grammar at mala grade 1 na style ng panunulat, pero 'di ba, ang importante na lang dito ay nagsusulat sila. For me, parang fine, sige, okay na. At least 'di ba may pinagsisimulan. Sana pagtagal-tagal ay natuto sila sa mga criticism na kuha nila sa internet, 'di ba? It's been 3 AM but the phone clock was at... No, tama na. From Manila to Mandirigma encounter. Sunod. What's up? Manila encounters. Philippine history and facts about Manila touch ito crappy hugots about their life. Maraming salamat, Blue JK. Yep, sabi ko sa inyo, ang cancer kahit saan eh, nagmumulayan at kakalat. Diba, hindi natin mapipigilan yan. Nandito lang tayo para pagtawanan at pagtripan yung mga yan. So, doon natatapos ang ating may encounters. Diba, gusto ko lang maiba yung ating content paminsan-minsan kasi lagi na lang ako wannabe. Ako na ang #1 wannabe ng Pilipinas. Pero okay lang. Wannabe encounters. So, maraming salamat.
So, wala ko matay like, pindutin nyo yung join button, 129 naman para makagamit kayo ng mga emojis na gamit na ako mismo ang gumawa. Makikita nyo pa sa pagpindot nyo nasa description, makikita nyo yung mga makukuha yung perks. Makakanood kayo ng mga videos na mas maaga sa ibang cancel, diba? Especially kay pamangkin ko kayo, akong bahala sa inyo lahat. Pero sa Paulo lang.
Ang isipan sa science o agham.
Venezuela, Venezuela, Venezuela.